Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, girl on the ridge. I just have some things I want to show you. Something that I found when I did venture out to Marshall's. So these are, you know me, when I get stuck on something, I made up these little bag sets because I don't think we're ever going to go anywhere again. So I might as well just embrace it and have fun, which I've been doing. My coffee while it's hot. I did these bag sets, and each bag will have something in it. This one has an envelope with doily paper. The big one has a curtain. You can use it as a cover if you want. You can use it as a gift bag. And all the sizes are listed. And these are all embossed. I use my big embossed folder that has another different kind of doily paper. And that was, oh dear, I forgot whose it is. And now the trim is Esme's shop, Crafty Me shop. And this one was one of my homemade cabinet cards. What did I put in here? Oh, some ephemera. And I'm going to put some more stuff in my bags, you know me. So these are just fun. I got this new folder. It's the big one, 8 by 11. Because I have the grand caliber. So I wanted to see how they emboss the big stuff. So I did that one. So I was playing yesterday. And then they're all similar but different. But I love the curtains. And this is pure silk. This is silk. So it kind of frays a little. Here's the big one. And the little one. And that cabinet card. Look at that flower. Isn't that not pretty? That one, and then again with this flower, just kind of adds a little different. My cabinet cards, I love making them. And then the curtain bag. Those I made yesterday. And then things are just, all I can think of is chaotic. So when I made these next journals, that's what I thought of. They're chaotic. And they have the curtain on the front. And this one's sold. And I did blue, and the pages are just they're bigger. I did not want to go with the size of the cover, because that's the cover. It's a bag. And then this one is just shades of blue. And then the other two that I just made, this is another one. This is the little lace curtain, and then shades of blue. And then I just did some really pretty paper that I can't remember where it came from. Oh, darn it. Was it my porch prints? I had to look. I can't remember. But it was blues and greens and my 1845 paper. And this will be embellished. And then it comes with some envelopes and a bunch of goodies. Hopefully you'll never be disappointed. But I like to add stuff. And then this is the pinker one. Same size as, well, not really. Let me take that back. This is like a 9 by 6, but it has the pink, and this will be pink embellishments. But that's again I love the curtains. So that's what I've been working on amongst other things. And what I found in Marshall's, I went yesterday, are these beautiful bags, which I am going to be taking apart because they're a nice cottony homemade paper. Like a thick paper, and by the time I spread them out, they were $4 for 4 bags, but the colors were just so pretty. So by the time I take these apart, I can get a lot of paper out of these. And the colors, like I said, were just perfect for stamping. Actually, I was thinking of making cabinet cards out of these because they're nice and sturdy, but I'll see how that goes. So that is what I've been working on. So I'm excited to, yeah, these would be cute with cabinet cards. See, another direction. Oh, and then wait till you see what I got from Patty Lang. Oh my God. Monday night's video. She had this book, and I think I posted it on Facebook at one time, but it was like an old book, like 1700s, of a dress coming out of the book. Well, she found one from France. I think it was in the 40s. It was like maybe a student book, and in it was a little jacket and little collars. Oh my God, I won it in the auction, and I can't wait to get it, because I definitely want to embellish on that, because not all of us can get our hands on books like that, but I definitely want to do a dress or a book with a dress, like a sample, like somebody, you know, from the 1800s, a sample book, and try to recreate that for fun. So that is, I can't wait to get that. So that was my excitement for the week. So you guys stay safe. I hope you're not in one of those bad states that we were at the beginning of all this, because it's sad. So I'm hoping you guys all stay safe, and we will keep in touch. So we will, I'll put this on there. Look at how pretty that'll look. Oh. So, alrighty guys, so that stuff is this. I'm just throwing things in my Etsy as I get them done. So sometimes I'll do a video, sometimes I forget, but just how things are. So you guys, thank you, and my little box is growing with little comments in them for names, so I'll be working on that next, as I am creeping up to, I can't believe it, 10,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough. I never thought I'd be in this position. I'd love to share and hopefully teach a little of my craft to you, so you can find the same kind of enjoyment that I do. And I'm just, there's not a whole lot of words. So thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Bye.